Today, we will see about an Ayurvedic remedy known as Krishnadi Churna used to treat cold, cough to children under 2 to 5 years. This mixture can be stored under room temperature, serving an ideal way to effectively help children to get relief from respiratory issues. The ingredients used are Pipli. Pipli is a common culinary plant that has been utilized as an important component of several indigenous medicines. Pipli is a Sanskrit name for long pepper. Pipli is an effective herb in managing cough and cold. Pipli controls cough, releases mucus, clears air passages, thus allowing the patient to breathe freely. It is used for lung problems including asthma, bronchitis, and cough. Amla. Amla is a fruit that has been used in Ayurvedic treatments for thousands of years. Amla is known as Amalaki in Sanskrit. Amla has a high concentration of natural antioxidants and vitamin C. There are numerous benefits of Amla powder such as it improves immunity, helps to improve eyesight, improves respiratory health, prevents anemia, acts as a blood purifier. Sunti or dry ginger is a common spice used worldwide. Sunti is used as an antioxidant. It is used to treat coughs, bacterial infections, stomach disorders, and headaches. Soot powder improves the cardiovascular system and also keeps the respiratory system in tune. It increases the appetite, aids digestion, and also serves as a detoxifying agent. Jaggery has been used extensively over the years for its countless benefits. Due to the wide use of jaggery in Ayurveda, it is also called medicinal sugar. Daily consumption of jaggery may help in asthma, cold, cough, and anemia and act as a natural cleansing agent. As we've seen the ingredients and its benefits, let's look at the measurements required to make this concoction. Take 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of Pipli powder, 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of Amla powder, 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of Sunti powder, 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of jaggery powder. Let's mix all these ingredients together. First, Pipli powder, Amla powder, Sunti powder, and jaggery powder. Now mix all these ingredients together. This is how the mixture should look like. Store it in an airtight container. In order to prepare Krishnadi Churna, put 1 teaspoon of Krishnadi Churna mixture in a bowl and mix it with honey. Krishnadi Churna is ready and this can be given to children to 2 to 3 times a day. Thank you.